Now I would like to invite Muhammad Hasim bin Imran, a bright student of grade 6, to come forward and deliver his speech in English on the topic Independence Day. Muhammad Hasim bin Imran.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected principal, teachers, my dear friends, and respected elder, beloved of Samrud. Today I feel proud to stand here and speak about our Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August. It is one of the most important days for our country. On this day in 1947, our country got freedom from British rule. Before 1947, India was under British control for more than 200 years. Life under British rule was extremely difficult. Our people had no freedom and were treated unfairly. Indian was not take decision for themselves, and all the laws were made by the British. They used our resources, our money, our hard work for their own benefits. Many brave leaders and freedom fighters stood up against this injustice. They fought for our rights and dreamed of a free India. Some of the great leaders were Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as well as many Muslim leaders like Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Dr. Zakir Hussain and Ashfaqullah Khan. We must also remember the great scholar of Al-Hadith who played an important role in the freedom struggle. Scholars like Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehelvi, Shah Muhammad Ishaq, Sayyid Nazir Hussain Muhaddis Dehelvi and Maulana Sanaullah Amritsari stood firm against this injustice. They protested, gave speeches, and in many cases sacrificed their life. Mahatma Gandhi followed the path of violence and truth. Subhash Chandra Bose inspired people to rise for justice. And Maulana Abul Kalam Azad hard work for education and unity. Bhagat Singh and Ashfaqullah Khan showed us meaning of bravery. Every leader played an important role. After many years of struggle and sacrifice and hard work, India finally became free on 15 August. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag at the Red Fort in the Delhi. Since then, every year on this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and address the nation. My dear friends, Independence Day is a day of pride and joy. We celebrate it in school, colleges, offices, and public places. The day usually begins with hoisting of Tiranga, our national flag. We sing the national anthem and listen to speeches. My dear friends, this day is not only celebration of freedom, but also a reminder of our responsibility. Freedom is precious. We must protect it. We should respect our country, obey its laws, and work for its progress. Being a good citizen means being honest, hardworking, and the kind. India is our home. Just as we take care of our home and country, we must take care our country. India is developing fast, but there is still a lot to do. India is developing fast, but there is still a lot to do. As a student, we can contribute by studying well and helping others and following the good values. We are the future of the nation, and the future depends on what we do today. Let us promise we will keep our country safe, peaceful, and strong. India is the best place in the world. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.